Hi guys, welcome back. I've changed my channel name and my thing name. So welcome to the Freaky
Guys,
Freakers Challenge. And this is Isaac, if you don't know.
Yeah, look.
He has a new pickaxe. And welcome to the Freaky Freakers. So in here, the Freaky Freakers, we do weird stuff. Excuse me. Like open football packs and more like that. Soccer packs and it's a nice name, so I chose it. Because I always say, what's up? Today, are you guys freaky or not? So let's call our game Freaky. Freakers, nice, right? Okay, so that's all. Let's shake the thing. There will be merch coming soon as well.
How would you know if there's
That's
much
from Liverpool that we already have.
How would you know there's much coming soon?
Wait, do we have him? Let me just check. We have Townsend or not. Please don't let me rage. We have him.
Who? Yes, who?
Tactic card. Okay, that's
Yes, who?
okay. There's a nice midfield. I hope it's Mata. I hope it's Mata.
How about Merry Christmas?
Fred.
Merry Christmas. Yeah, you won't
Let's
never know
go.
that's right.
And then we've got black.
You actually got Fred?
I got Mesut Ozil. Ishak's favorite. And another Dali Ali that we already have. Get away. And then new that we have. We have this is our third one. Not sure about this guy. Please just give me good ones. I feel like I'm gonna get the same thing. And this is part 12. Damari. We're putting a lot of people in the grave today. The only thing I got good is this guy. They're all trash. They're all trash. Call the boss. Did you get anyone from that set? Please get good stuff. Last pack's the charm. Last pack's the charm.
Go to your bed.
You just don't end up with your challenge.
Yung video mo?
Yeah. We got everyone the same. Atsu. Do we have Atsu? Yeah, we do. Actually. We have him.
You remove the power bank in this one. Put it on top there. Wala. You don't put the cable in your bed.
It's a really backpack opening today. I'm sorry, but like seriously, the packs are like hard and it's very hard to get those players that I want.
Yay.
Knocker and then that guy and then only him.
Whoa! What? What? What the heck?
I know this is a sad video, yeah. Yep. Agree. Not a very good video today. Because I hoped at first that we could get like all the players in one shot, but like what? Then we have Mooney. Yeah, we do. We have Mooney. Last player, and there's one more. There's another Mooney. we have him. So that's all for the pack opening today. Got some bad luck players, and I'll see you on next video. Bye. Peace out.